Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text decoration. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS color for the decoration line. You can find this CSS color for the decoration line in our CSS text decoration playlist. So let's quickly do something nice with our document. The CSS text decoration color property is used to set the color of the decoration line. So I'm going to be using this without much grammars. Back to our document. Now we are having this previously in our previous tutorial. Don't you forget, we are still talking about CSS text decoration. So you can find the playlist. That's why I'm purposely adding this so you guys can find the playlist on our channel easily. You can find text decoration or text decorations. Anyone you look for, you will find it there. So right now, I'm going to be using this property, which is text decoration color, and I'm going to give it different colors so you guys can see how it works properly. This is our document right here. As you can see, it's looking nice, but let's write another thing. This is our P element. I'm going to create a section. When I create this section, I'm going to create article. Inside this article, I'm going to paste this our first P element. Let me make our document look simple by doing this in this manner. Then inside this place, I can wrap this in our h1 tag. I want to wrap this in the h1 tags, or let me wrap it in our legend tag, fit sets tag. Let me give it legend. Let me place it inside here so our document can look more professional again. So inside here, I can now write my h1 tag. If you've been following me along so far, you by now understand all these things I'm writing because I've explained everything. You can check the HTML beginners to the advanced or the CSS beginner to the advanced. You find the every section. You can find this section element, article element, feature element, digit. I've discussed about everything one by one. You can just search through our channel, then you will find it in deep details. So now in this h tag right here, I'm going to write some things. Let me write some h, or let me write how are you doing today. Save the document and reload. Now we are able to see how are you doing today. But one thing I want to do is that I want to highlight this doing. I want to give it what? I want to give it underline. So I'm going to specify the underline by using what? I can wrap this immediately inside our what? Inside our span tag, and keep this doing inside the span tag. Let me reload my document now so you can see if there's any changes. Can you see there's no any changes? So just what I did is that I create this opening and closing span tag. I've discussed about this also in our previous tutorial, and I put this doing inside it. So one thing I want to do again now is that I want to decorate this using our CSS. Now I'm going to select the span tag and I'm going to give it some declarations. For declaration, I want to give it is text decoration line. Text decoration line, I'm going to give it underline. And I save my document and reload. Can you see now I'm having underline? Now I'm doing. So this doing underline, I want to change the color. So That's why we need our text decoration color. Text decoration. The text decoration color, we need it. I want to give it red. When I give it red, let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? Now our doing is having red color, and this is what I'm here to show you guys today right now. I hope you got this point. So anytime you can switch to any color if you want. You can give it blue. When I reload the document, can you see it's changed to blue? And also you can use color value like RGB. Just in case you don't know about RGB, you can check our previous tutorial because we have covered a lot about RGB and many more previously. So just practice these things because this is so nice when you're practicing it. That's the main point there. I'm giving it color value now. Can you see? I gave it this kind of color. So you can do this anytime you want. But one thing I really want you guys to understand is that to add a color to your underline, to your decoration line, you have to use decoration color. And when you use decoration line only, when you use decoration color only, you are going to see that nothing is going to appear here. So to use the decoration color, definitely you have to use your decoration line property, the text decoration line. So after the text decoration line, you can now use what? The text decoration color. I have to stop right here for now because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. But before I go again, don't you forget I select this pan element and I gave it underline and also color. That's why we are able to see this doing having this color. When I reload, it's having this color and the underline. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Peace and love.